everyone, welcome back on my channel English with Shivangi. First of all, tell me how you all. I hope you are doing great. So, I am a little bit glad because, of course, I am going to share a part of my journey, and that is how I learned English language without having an environment and by using social media app. So, let's begin. So you know what? When I was beginner, I used to think that only those people can learn this language who have a top degree and who have environment and who are good at grammar and all that things. But when I started learning this language, I got to know that anybody can learn this language. It is just our illusion and imagination that I can't learn this language because of this, because of that. But literally, believe me, to be honest, when you start learning this language, you will get to know that how much it is easy. Okay, how much it is easy, you will get to know. So go and start learning this language. You know what is our problem? Our problem is we start making excuses when something is come to us to do. Instead of doing that thing, we start making excuses. Okay, even if we know that how much that work is important in our life, still we start making excuses. Still we start holding ourselves back to not do that thing. So you just need to stop doing this and start taking a step towards your goal, towards your learning this language, if you want to learn this language. Okay, and you know what, I was not able to learn even an English song because I used to think that it is too much hard, and if I am not able to understand the meaning of this song, so how could I learn this language? But now I have learned two English song. Okay, I have learned two English song, and now I am able to understand English, and I am able to speak English. I'm not telling that I am flawless. I'm not telling that I don't make any excuse, any mistake while speaking. I make I make mistake while speaking. I'm still struggling, but I believe that one day I will become a perfect speaker, English speaker. Okay, so just we need to believe in ourselves and start learning this language. Start taking action towards our dream. Okay, it is our, and if you think about if you think about environment, that I don't have environment, so how I can learn this language? Okay, it is a very tough to learn this language because I don't have a environment on all that thing. On top of that, I don't have any partner to learn this language, so that's why it is a tough, and that's why I don't learn this language. But the thing is, if you have a mobile phone, so the truth is you have environment. You have environment. Just you need to know that how to use that mobile phone in the right way, and how to utilize your time, how to manage your time. Just you need to know that thing. It is okay, and because you can get, go and search on Play Store. You will get a lot of sources to learn English. Okay, to learn English, not only song on a language. Okay, go and do it. And even you can get a partner to do your practice. Okay, just you need to go. So go and start your journey. Okay, and to be honest, I did not pay any single rupee to learn this language. I just learned this language by using social media app, and that is a YouTube. I learned this much English by using YouTube. Okay, because you can get a lot of channels, and and a lot of platform on YouTube, okay, which provide day to day classes, English classes to learn English language. So go and start taking those classes. I am telling to all, when you start taking those classes, then you will get to know that you don't need to go anywhere, and you don't need to go anywhere to learn English language, and not only English language but also any kind of skills. If you want to learn, so go and start learning by using social media app. Then you will get to know that you don't need to pay any single rupee to learn any skills, okay. And the thing is earlier it used to be very tough to learn skills and to learn this language, when there was no any mobile phone and any gadget, okay. Despite of this, a lot of people who learned English language and others skills that time. So if they can, why we can't? It is our just illusion, okay. We are, if we think like this, so it means we are under the illusion, and we need to get out of this illusion and start taking a step towards our goal and learning this language if you want to learn this language, okay. And this is all thing that I wanted to say to you all. I hope you are getting all thing, and I hope you got my point what I'm trying to say to you all. Literally, if you want to learn this language, so go and start learning this language, okay. You don't need to wait anything and anybody to learn this language, and not only this language, any kind of skills you can learn, okay, any kind of skills, just by using your mobile phone and social media app. Why you forget that you live in modern India, and now everything is possible, okay. So go and start your journey. So bye bye, take care of yourself, and keep learning, keep practicing. Bye bye.